Hello Lone Wolf fans, it's your good buddy Lone Wolf here, and I got a new unboxing video for the new year, right here, and I ordered this on Amazon, and it was really pricey. It cost me $48. Let's see what's in here, shall we? Got my trusty bayonet here. Yeah, I'll be doing another unboxing video for you guys soon, hopefully. It's the score soundtrack to the original Back to the Future. Tracks are track 1, Logo, 2, DeLorean Reveal, 3, Einstein Disintegrated, 4, 85 Twin Pines Mall, 5, Peabody Barn, Marty ditches DeLorean, 6, 55 Town Square, 7, Lorraine's Bedroom, 8, Retrieve DeLorean, 9, 1.21 gigawatts, 10, The Picture, 11, Picture Fades, 12, Skateboard Chase, 13, Marty's Letter, 14, George to the Rescue Part 1, 15, Marvin Bebop, which is a source cue. You can hear that playing in the radio of the car radio that Marvin Berry and the Starlighters are in. 16, George to the Rescue Part 2. 17, Tension, The Kiss. 18, Goodnight Marty, another source cue. 19, It's Been Educational, Clock Tower. 20, Helicopter. 21, 85 Lone Pine Mall. 22, 4x4. 23, Doc Returns. 24, Back to the Future end credits. Total time, 49 minutes and 28 seconds long. And it says here, oh wait, here's the tagline for the movie. He was never in time for his classes. Then one day, he wasn't in his time at all. I love these movies. The greatest movies, in my opinion, ever made in the 80s. Here's what this looks like. Much better artwork than the actual soundtrack. Like the soundtrack that they originally released, which I have, which I'll go get for you. Yeah, this is the original soundtrack released. It was originally released. And this is the disc art. Not much to see. This is that soundtrack. And this is all music done by Alan Silvestri, who I think is a great film composer. Oh, now that's cool. The iconic moment when the license plate falls off the DeLorean and spins and then hits the blacktop with the fire trail. Oh wow, this feels like really thick booklet. Time circuit's on. I was just mentioning that soundtrack. Look, there it is. It gets really descriptive about things involving the movie and possibly the soundtrack as well. Some of the original posters. I remember hearing that the original title for this movie was Spaceman from the Planet Pluto. Roads, where we're going, we don't need roads. Yeah, I want to get the one for part 2, but someone was selling it for like $30 and then on Amazon, and then someone must have seen it and bought it, and now it goes for over $110, which is crazy. And the soundtrack for part 3 is insanely expensive at over $200 for the 2-disc 25th anniversary edition soundtrack. Well, that about wraps it up for today. Hope you enjoyed it. I hope you found it educational. And remember what Doc says in part 3. Your future hasn't been written yet. No one's has. Your future is what you make it. So make it a good one. Have a nice day.